Well, hi there. My name is Candace Duff, and for those of you who don't know me, I'm a coach, an author, and an attorney. And I'm here to talk to you today about the biggest mistake that I see newbie authors make. You know what that mistake is? That mistake is writing the book first and thinking about marketing later. The time to think about marketing is before you ever put pen to the page. I made that same mistake back in 2007 when I wrote my first book, Just Dreams. I wrote that book without even knowing the requirements of the romantic suspense genre. I didn't know what my readers expected. I didn't even know who my readers were going to be. And I hadn't done enough research to make writing that book easy. On top of that, I wrote a romantic legal thriller, which made it very difficult to sell later. I didn't think about whether or not the book would be a standalone, whether it would be part of a series, or anything like that. That's why I created the bestseller book challenge. I want to make sure that newbie authors that come after me don't make that same mistake. And in the bestseller book challenge, I teach you how to think about marketing first before you ever start writing a book. How to go ahead and know and understand the requirements of a genre, how to research your ideal readers and your customer avatar, how to figure out what your ideal readers and your ideal customers want and need, how to get into their heads and be able to finish their sentences, how to mind map and outline your book so writing is a breeze and you know where you're going every step of the way, and all sorts of things. I help you prep your book for success before you ever start writing it. So go ahead and check out the Bestseller Book Challenge. You'll be glad you did. Take care.